This video, I'll show you step by step how to apply Atomic Habits so that you won't need motivation. Most people think they lack motivation when really they lack clarity. Step 1 is to be clear on who you want to be. Are you going to be someone who doesn't study consistently, or are you going to be the guy who does study consistently and gets straight A's and now his parents are finally proud of him and he doesn't need to do drugs anymore? Your identity emerges out of your habits. Every action is a vote for the type of person you want to become. Step 2, make your actions way too small. Ugh. Instead of trying to study everything, study one thing. The first step in any behavior is observation. You notice a cue, a bit of information, an event. Step 3, attach studying to a cue, an existing habit. After breakfast, brushing teeth, or waking up, open up your homework. In the long run, and often in the short run, your willpower will never beat your environment. Step 4, make your environment ideal. Remove your phone. Close YouTube. You only have homework next to you. Steps 5 to 8, make it obvious, make it easy, make it attractive, and make it satisfying. I make it easy by prepping everything beforehand. It'll be satisfying because I write a check mark after every time I finish and I try to make a streak. It'll be attractive because Bob will always compliment me while I'm studying. Step 9, get 1% better every day.